Hello from McAllister College. My name is Anna Williams. I am an astronomy professor in the physics and astronomy department. And like you, I am not able to visit campus at the moment. And so I'm actually speaking to you from my home in St. Paul, just a couple blocks away from campus. But I probably don't have to tell you that this whole social distancing thing is the pits. So one of my favorite things about teaching at McAllister is getting to know students like you. So the average class size in the physics and astronomy department is about 22 students. And I've taught classes with as few as 9 students and classes with up to about 30 students. And so what I love about this environment is that I get to know everyone, and that's could be through discussions that we have in class, problem solving sessions, office hours where I love it when students stop by to ask questions on problem sets or material from the course, or just talk about life in general. You know, what are you going to do during the summer? What job should you look for when you're done with McAllister? What is life like as a professional astronomer? All of these types of things. So I really enjoy getting to know the students and other faculty on campus because I found that everyone at McAllister really cares deeply about what they're doing and the people around them. And so building those relationships is really important, and it's also really enjoyable. And so I hope that you will consider coming to McAllister so that I can get to know you as well. But since you're not able to visit at this time, I would like to virtually transport us to the observatory on campus using the wonders of Zoom. And so here you can see the 16-inch telescope that we have on the top of our science building on campus. And students who take our observational astronomy classes get to learn how to operate this. So during these classes, they get to pick what type of object they want to observe. That could be a galaxy, it could be a star cluster, it could be planetary nebula. And then they get to design and obtain images using this telescope because they're all trained to use it. And so one of the really great things about these types of projects is you get to see what it's actually like to be an astronomer, right? You get to design an experiment, ask questions of the data, and reduce and make measurements with that data. Another really neat thing about this facility is that once students are trained to operate this telescope, they get to host public observing nights, should they choose to. And on those nights, they figure out what's up in the night sky, what would be fun to look at, and then they share that astronomical object with the community. So we have students from campus that come up for these observing nights, also families from the surrounding neighborhood. And so it's this really great place where you get to interact with the people around you and share the really cool science that you're learning in your classes. And so in closing, I would like to suggest that you peruse around our website, take a look at the classes that we offer, check out the other faculty in the department. If you have any questions about the department or life at McAllister in general, please don't hesitate to email any of us. I'd be happy to schedule a Zoom meeting or a Google Hangouts if you'd like to have a little bit face-to-face interaction. It would be great to get to know you, even if you don't decide to come to McAllister, but I hope you do decide to come to McAllister. And so, yeah, I hope that you and those around you are staying safe and healthy in these uncertain times, and that you consider accepting your offer to McAllister. So I hope to see you in the fall. Take care.